Hello guys, welcome to this short masterclass about this down picking exercise of this famous riff, Master of Puppets, that everyone is trying to play, but I don't think everyone plays it 100% perfect because it's a riff that requires this perfect contrast between muted and open notes. So mastering this, it's a little bit hard, and I wanted to give my thoughts on this on many guitarists that I see that they don't play it 100% right. And why they don't play it right? Because they experience so much tension in the right hand when they are playing it that the riff doesn't sound with consistency. This happens when you are not your muscles in the right hand are not in your perfect shape, and then you experience this extra tension that makes you not control perfectly this contrast between muted notes and open notes. And instead of this, it sounds more like this. So how do we solve it? Very simple. We put the BPMs of the song very down. We play it very slow so we can really achieve this perfect contrast of muted notes and open notes. I did a version of this Master of Puppets riffs on my own for extreme metal picking. Is an exercise really cool that my students practice this down picking and this contrast, and it goes like this. Okay, and here we want to really pay attention to have the perfect speed that we can have this contrast. Okay, we don't want this sound. All right, or no, we want the perfect contrast. So now I'm gonna add the video of my course playing the riff with the guitar tab so you can learn it better. So that's it. Now it's on your decision that this exercise will work or not for you, and it depends on how disciplined are you gonna be playing this riff. Because the only way that you achieve gains and benefits is if you play it every day, 50 minutes, and you push the BPMs up each day a bit more. Okay, so if you just do it one day, it's not gonna work, I tell you. But if you do it for 1 week, 2 weeks, you will notice the difference, okay? So try to practice it and let me know how it goes for you, okay? Good luck.